Hi guys, and welcome back to Total Technik. Today we're working on the Audi A4, S4 and RS4. This is for the B8 model, and we're looking specifically on where the front tow eye is located and how you connect it up. Let's take a look. So if you have a look under your headlight, you'll find this little circular panel. It's built into the bumper here, and behind that panel is the little socket that's going to be ready to accept your tow eye, which we just removed from your boot or from your trunk. So we need to get this cover removed. You may think that you need to kind of get like a flathead screwdriver and pop that in and kind of pop this out. You don't. These are quite clever, and they've got almost like an inbuilt hinge. So what we need to do is put some pressure on the bottom, and that should allow the top to pop out. Obviously, if you've got a bit of dirt and grime in there, it might be a little bit tricky, but we should find this shouldn't be too bad. So let's give it a try. So inside there you can see that's the socket, and that's threaded inside there, ready to accept the thread on our tow eye. So let's get that in. So just insert the tow eye and start to screw it in. It's always best to put these in as deep as you can. Remember this, you know, if you are using this to tow the car, it's going to be under a lot of pressure. So a good idea is to grab your wrench from the boot and just use that as a bit of a lever. This one's okay. That one's pretty tight. That's good. So make sure it's really nice and tight. So that is the location and how to fit your front tow eye hook. We hope this has been useful for you guys. If so, before you leave, can we please ask that you hit the like button? That really helps us out, and also please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for hundreds more Audi videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again.